Hello everyone and welcome into my craft space. Today I'm using my Distress Oxide inks to colorize these thin crafting wood materials. This is a cute little flower that's part of a kit I got from Make All the Things With Me. Now, after I've colorized it, I am going to use my Distress ink and emboss right on that thin wood flower. You could use your embossing ink pen or dabber. I'm using an embossing ink pad and I'm trying to get just those petals. Next, I'm going to take my Seth Apter Vintage Beeswax embossing powder and pour it right over that embossing ink. You could use any embossing powder that you have. You want to be fairly generous with the embossing powder. I'm coating the whole area that I want to be covered with it, and then I'm dumping the excess off here carefully. Don't worry, the excess will go back in the bag. That's why I'm working on a piece of book page or a scrap piece of paper. I have those embossing trays that collect your embossing powder, but I always seem to just revert back to using a piece of paper. Now we're going to apply some heat to set that embossing powder. Keep your heat moving. I tend to always forget to keep that heat moving. I love watching embossing powder turn once it's gotten the right amount of heat. There it goes. Look at that beautiful finish. Now you can stop here or decide to add one more thing. That's right, grab your crocodile. It will carefully punch through this wood with ease. I say carefully because I don't want to bump off those petals by poking a hole in the wrong place. So right in the center of the flower there. Then I'm going to add an eyelet. Now these are just the normal pronged eyelets, so I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the center to hold it in place. This glue is Tonic Nouveau adhesive and it works for multiple surfaces and seems to work quite well for me. Now I'll put that eyelet in the center. And I'm still going to set it with the crocodile just to make sure it stays in place. Now don't squeeze it too hard or you'll break the wood. Look how cute this turned out. I absolutely love it. It's going to be perfect for the journal cover I'm working on. Be sure to like and subscribe and check the playlist for more videos on this journal.